My name is Nick Chiara, and I'm a patent and trademark attorney with Chiara IP Law. What is a strong trademark? There are many ways of gauging the strength of a trademark. If you were to talk to an advertising professional, they may tell you it's how well known the trademark is or how long the mark has been in use. But if you speak with trademark professionals or U.S. Patent and Trademark Office examining attorneys, they will measure the strength of a trademark based on its distinctiveness. Distinctiveness is the ability of the mark to identify and distinguish the goods and services on which the trademark is attached from goods and services of other providers. While it may seem counterintuitive, the less inherent connection to the goods and services, the stronger the trademark. The 5 categories of trademarks from strongest to weakest are fanciful, arbitrary, suggestive, descriptive, and generic. Fanciful trademarks are words that have no original meaning in any language. These are made up or coin words created to be used as trademarks. Xerox and Kodak are 2 well-known examples. Today, these marks are considered famous because of their long use and intimate association with their respective products, but when these marks were first developed, they had no inherent meaning. Over time, the brands build up the connection between these marks and their goods and services. Fanciful trademarks are granted the largest scope of protection and can be relatively easy to register. The next strongest category of trademarks is referred to as arbitrary marks. These marks are commonly known words, but the words themselves have no connection to the specific goods or services they are used on. Famous examples are Apple for computers and Amazon for online services. These marks have an inherent meaning, but the meaning does not have any connection to the goods and services. The brand company must build up the connection between the trademark and the goods and services. Arbitrary trademarks are considered very strong, generally have very broad protection, and are relatively easy to register. Suggestive marks are words that imply an indirect meaning that might not be readily grasped from their ordinary meaning. These trademarks require some thought to make the connection between the mark and the goods and services. A great example of a suggestive trademark is Greyhound for bus services. Greyhound dogs are fast, implying that the bus will get you where you need to be quickly. Suggestive marks offer a hint about the connection between the trademark and the goods and services, and still require an effort for the brand company to make the association understood to the public. These marks are harder to trademark than fanciful and arbitrary marks, but are still strong and much easier to trademark than descriptive marks. Descriptive marks are the weakest of protectable trademarks. Descriptive trademarks directly describe a quality, characteristic, or feature of the goods and services. Examples include Hot and Strong for coffee, Bob's Diner for a restaurant, or Sweet Flavored for coffee. Without an actual connection in the public's mind between the goods and services and the mark over multiple years, descriptive trademarks usually cannot be registered. When descriptive trademarks obtain secondary meaning, which means that the public understands a connection exists between the mark and the goods, they can be registered. An example is Holiday Inn for hotel services. Descriptive marks generally provide very narrow protection. The last category, generic, relates to words that cannot be trademarks. These are generic words for the actual goods or services. Examples include car for an automobile or book for a printed publication with a front and back cover. Generic words can never be given trademark status and are not protectable under trademark law. Choosing the right trademark and properly protecting it are critical steps in business development. An experienced trademark attorney can help you navigate the many legal, practical, and business considerations related to trademark registration. If you have any questions about the strength of a mark and would like to discuss trademark protection and registration, please contact us at nchiara@chiaraiplaw.com. Visit our website at www.chiaraiplaw.com or call us at 917-817-6931. Thank you.